Hi Geeti, congratulations once again. Geeti, you are really an inspiration to all of us and we can learn a lot of good things from you. Personally, I would like to thank you for all your support extended to me and would really miss working with you. Geeti, all the best for your future endeavors and please remember that your party is still due and we will definitely take it once you are visiting Mumbai again. Thank you. Bye.
Hi. When I think of Kirti, what comes to my mind is an image of a young girl from a small village in Kerala who had big dreams and she worked hard to achieve them. Despite all odds that she faced, she remained persistent and continued to work hard. And eventually, she did manage to achieve her dreams. As I got to know her more, different facets of her personality started unfolding. I realized how willing she was to always share information, the way she made her teams grow with her. She gave her team various assignments and projects, so each of them felt a sense of fulfillment and professional satisfaction. As I got to know her more, I realized her personal side. Uh, Many of you may know that she is part of an NGO who supports needy patients with dialysis kits. In the lockdown, in fact, she contributed around 3 to 4 television sets to kids to support them in online learning. She's also partnered Bright Futures NGO as a mentor, and I'm sure her mentee is going to be very lucky to have a mentor like Geeti. It's going to be an amazing experience for the mentee, and I hope, I'm sure that the mentee's life will change for the better. There's so much that I can talk about Geeti that I can just go on, but I'm conscious of time, so I'll end here. Having said that, movement to Singapore is going to be a new chapter in her life, and I hope it's very fulfilling. It was very fortunate to know a person like Geeti. She's an amazing person, and I wish her the very best. And I hope she manages to achieve the purpose she set for herself in her life. Thank you.
Hey, hi Geeti. First of all, many congratulations and all the very best for the new role. I'm sure you're going to have an exciting time. Just want to say that you really brought a lot of enthusiasm for this role that you did and got us all really involved, and we are really going to miss that. So all the very best and have a great time. Do keep in touch.
Hi Geeti. So even though we did not interact much on a day-to-day basis for work, but I'm glad that I got the opportunity to work with you on few events or activities which you planned for the entire team. So right from the Diwali celebrations to the dance performance for annual dinner to our very recent secret project that we've been working on. So it was really fun working with you, and I should really appreciate the selfless efforts which you took in bringing the entire team together. And we will surely miss you for all these things. And that said, I would like to wish you a lot of success for a new journey, and I'm sure that we will definitely stay in touch. Thanks.
Hi Geeti. First of all, congratulations on this big opportunity. I'm sure that you will do wonders over there as well. I can recollect a lot of good memories and good interactions with you, both work related and non-work related, since I joined the bank 5 years back. A lot of non-work related stuff which I want to highlight today. The first one is, of course, the closest to my heart is the Santa Claus Act, which I performed for the orphanage kids in Bandra in 2018. That was really a great experience for me. Apart from that, you had given me the opportunity to become a lead dancer in one of the annual day celebration party at JW Marriott in 2019, where we represented the risk in the dance competition. Apart from that, I also had an opportunity to perform a short dance with you, where we represented the traditional Rajasthani theme, and we had a good act over there as well. So thanks for providing me all these kind of opportunities from time to time, and I really enjoyed working with you, and all the best for your future endeavors. Thanks a lot.
Hi Geeti, congratulations on a new role. On one hand, really happy for you, but at the same time, I think we in India are going to miss you a lot. You have brought us together as a team. your support in leading a number of team activities, your work in the enterprise-wide risk management area, your support including during the lockdown period has been really special. You build personal relationships with people. You are definitely going to be missed. Wish you all the best. I'm sure you're going to do a great job in your new role. Stay safe.